Hello all. Now I'm going to show a live demo on how you can use WMS Cloud to do a kitting process. I have never done a kitting process in EBS WMS, but I thought the kitting process at WMS Cloud is very efficient. And all we are doing is we are trying to pack a kit item which contains components. When you assemble 2 or 3 items, that becomes a kit. So that's exactly what we are going to do. So what we are going to do is we are going to pick, I do a task to pick the components which are part of a work order. So the work order is created in, uh, for example, manufacturing cloud, and the work orders assembled 3 components, put together in a kit, and drop it in location. That's exactly the process what we are going to do in WMS Cloud. Okay, so this is a landing page. I'm going to click work order inquiry view. And once I click it, this is the view I will see. So here I can see all the work order numbers, which is the actual work order to assemble a kit. So these are the tasks which are ready to be picked. Those are make to stock items. As you can see, there are 5 items for this particular in this work order which needs to be picked. And we will know the once the user completes it. If you want to see exactly what's in that particular work order, I can click this icon and it'll tell you this is the kit item. And as you can see here, the quantity to consume shows complete is 5, but allocation is 0 because we have not allocated the quantity yet. So I'm going to select this record and look at the components. So these components, when you put together to this item, that becomes a kit. So when the warehouse people ship it, they ship as a kit, and the kit will have all these 3 components put together. For example, when you buy a laptop, the kit will be a power cord, some accessories, and a charger all together. So that's a kit. So when they ship the laptop, they get the laptop, they put the kit both in a single box, they ship it together. So that's the kit we are going to assemble right now through the kitting process in WMS Cloud. Okay. So to create a task to make sure we can execute the task in WMS Cloud to assemble the kit, we use a wave template. So wave is nothing but we can use it to create a picking task or create a put away task or even create a task for kitting. So we use a wave template. Template will have all the values populated together. All you need to do is run the wave template for the work order. It'll create the task. All you need to do is execute the task. Okay. So here I have a template which is called assemble. I click the template. Now I'm going to assign the work order to this template. So let me get the work order. Let's copy this work order and go to my template. Here I'm going to update the template to this particular work order. All I need to do is click save. Now the wave template has been updated with this particular work order. Okay. All I need to do is go to wave template view, run the wave template, confirm it. Now it is going to create a kitting task for you to execute in WMS Cloud. It says the work order wave is completed. Now I can see the kitting task, which is created by the wave when I run the wave template in here. I click the task page, I refresh it. See, the kitting task type is ready. Priority 2, and we are going to pick from this particular location, and we are going to do 3 picks, as you can see. And if I click the 3 picks, the system is going to tell you that, hey, for this task, you're going to complete 3 picking tasks. And these are the components which you're going to assemble as a kit. And you're going to pick from this locator. Okay. And as you can say, the picking task is allocated, it's ready to be done.